This was a social media and event organizing app that I built with React frontend and Rails backend. So it has all the social media functionalities, like you could go to a user's profile page and you could post on their wall. Let's say, you know, I'm on a test account, I believe. Yes, I should be. And you gain experience for posting and you could level up. So that's one of the gamification features that I integrated with the social media aspect. And also, you could attend events. These are movie meetups that I do every other week. It's hosted on meetup.com, and I use this app to do seat reservations. So I could say that I'm attending the event, and I could view the ticket, could see what seat I want over here. And let's say I want C11. So then I would claim that seat. I could view the ticket, and I would pay through the meetup events page. Over, yeah. So people could claim seats and they could also leave comments. And I could also change my reservation and say I'm not attending. Now clear the seat away. So that will open up the seat for another person.